while I knew that the pharma index had advanced and outperformed the Nifty by quite a mile, I didn't know that the pharma index was up as much as 40% in the year, as against, well, single digits for the Nifty. So, Varsha, tell us about the pharma index, how the year has panned out for the entire sector. Well, what stands out here?
Well, yes, if you see Nifty Pharma is up 38% in last 1 year. It is considered as the top performing sector, which is driven by your shift towards safer stocks and performance in the US market. Let's see the key reasons for the top performance. One is the sector tailwinds. If you see, the growth is actually supported by new product launches and higher demand for generics and branded drugs. Also, the focus on chronic therapies is also one of the reasons why the pharma index has performed, and expansion by API companies is the other reason. If I were to talk about, macro, so these are the basic key tailwinds, expansion by the API companies as well. If I were to talk about the macro dynamics, so US-China trade dynamics is one of the reasons why we are seeing this top performance, and Trump tariffs on China's indirectly Trump tariffs on China has basically indirectly boosted exports for Indian pharmaceutical companies, and also favorable technical factors has contributed to index growth. Investor confidence is other one reason why we are seeing this top performance. Strong faith in India's expanding pharmaceutical capabilities is one of the reason. Let's see the impact of US policies on Indian pharma market. Trump's protectionist measures, which actually aim to prioritize domestic industries and limit foreign competition, will not target India, and this could actually benefit Indian pharma companies, such as by allowing them continued increase exports to US. And of course, the the anticipated US Biosecure Act boosted the sentiment, though it is out of key defense bill for at least short term. Let's see what happens. But beside that, the CDMO, the growth in CDMO is what leading to expansion into the pharma market. If I were to talk about the US revenues, which is one of the reasons why we are seeing this top performance. So the US revenues for Indian pharma market grew 18%. This was led by faster drug approvals, robust sales and pricing benefits from product shortage, and of course easing pricing pressure, and declining rupee provided competitive edge to exports for the Indian pharma. And European market is also the other reason why we are seeing, because there was revenue growth in European market of almost 15.3%, though this is expected to moderate to 7 to 9% in FY25. Lastly, if I were to talk about what is the what we have to look for FY25 or for 2025, one is CDMO and R&D strength, which will be focused for Indian pharma companies, and the Indian pharma industry is expected to grow at 9 to 11% in FY26, led by price hike and new launches in domestic market.
Varsha, sorry, just to repeat the last part, you spoke about some very good trends. Now, which of these, as per analysts or as per your analysis, are expected to continue? Is it only the CDMO thing that you spoke about, or is there something else as well that will work for Nifty Pharma or Indian pharmaceutical companies in 2025?
One is the domestic sales, of course, because we've seen in last quarter, there is in Q2 FY25, the domestic sales were also good for the Indian pharma companies, and of course the new launches that we are expecting in various segments, like you have this diabetes portfolio, or many pharma companies are actually betting on the respiratory and cardiology products, which will actually aid growth for these companies. So apart from CDMO, these are all the sectors.
Domestic pharma. So companies like Cipla or Alchem, etc., which are domestic, which have a larger domestic focus, might actually benefit more than some of the others, Varsha?
Yes.
Okay,
sure.
Great. Okay, thanks a lot for that. So that's the interesting one, and pharma amongst the top performing sectors for calendar year 24, and some factors that you want to watch out for calendar year 25 as well.